Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of authenticating your domain in MailerLite. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, click on Account Settings, then select Domain. On the right side, you will see an Add Domain button. Enter your domain name here. Since I've already authenticated, you'll need to click on the button to authenticate it yourself. After that, copy the CNAME and TXT values provided and paste them into your website's DNS settings. Once you see the message, DNS record created successfully, your domain will be authenticated, and if you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for tuning in to watch our video and for your ongoing support. It really means the world to us.